chemistry that works with you, not against you. Simple Green's formula is engineered for safety without sacrificing power. That makes it an ideal solution for industries under pressure to meet safety, environmental, and cost reduction goals. Benefits of safer formulation. Simple Green Industrial Cleaner and Degreaser is non-corrosive to metals when used as directed, non-irritant to skin and eyes, low VOC for indoor air quality, requires no harsh chemical-resistant PPE, reduces insurance, liability, and absenteeism from chemical exposure, because industrial Simple Green Cleaner and Degreaser isn't corrosive to skin and eyes. It is also US EPA Safer Choice certified. This certification standard recognizes products that perform and are safer for use around people, wildlife, and the environment. Deodorizes while it cleans. Removes organic residues that cause odor. Can be misted to encapsulate and suppress airborne smells. Works in high odor areas like dumpsters, trash bins, and maintenance zones. Cross-functional applications. Because of its safety profile and versatility, this product replaces multiple task-specific cleaners, supports chemical consolidation initiatives, works across maintenance, janitorial, fleet, operations, and more. The bottom line: lower PPE needs equals lower cost. Safer for workers and the environment, flexible enough to clean everything from tools to tanks. One SKU, many solutions equals simplified inventory and lower storage costs.